Once, many years ago, probably about 20 years ago, when I was a kid, we had these two cats, Bert and Ernie. It was the first cats we actually owned. They were orange tabby cats, both male. I loved those cats. But one day, Ernie was gone. A while later, he came back and one of his legs was limping. One of his legs were missing. Torn right off. I was sad. My mom, we all got in the car and took Ernie to the veterinarian's office, veterinary clinic. And the vet said, "We can fix your cat. It's going to cost $300. And Mom went, "No, I'm not going to pay for $300 for some cat. Put him to sleep." So I got to see my cat pass out and die. So Mom couldn't pay $300 to fix it. Bert had lost his lifelong friend. Didn't last long after that. He wandered off a while later. I don't know what happened to him. He must have got ran over. But is it really too much to pay for your own house pet? Your own companion animal? Are you not willing to put up a little bit of money to continue to have them be part of the family? I guess I just kind of basically, I'm not the one to kill something like that. I never really recovered from Bert and Ernie. I had cats after that, but I was never really the same. Never the same. I loved Ernie. My favorite. One time he actually jumped onto my bed in the morning while I was asleep. I woke up in a bright Saturday morning. He was purring on my bed, yeah, as I woke up. Very good experience. I had to watch him die. Watched him die because my mom didn't want to pay a lousy $300. He was a family member. Companion animals are family members. Can you spare a few $100 for save your life? I would. I'm poor, I'm dirt poor, but whatever it takes, I would. Bye.